In Bhopal, a dispute linked to Sadhvi Ranjana Devi has turned serious. Member of the Patidar community staged a protest in Ms. Roth. They warned that if cases filed against their members are not withdrawn and no FIR is registered against the Sadhvi, they may be forced to convert their religion. A large gathering was held under the banner of Patidar Samaj, OBC Morcha and Sakal Hindu Samaj. Protesters raised religious slogans during the demonstration. Later, they submitted a memorandum to the ACP addressed to the collector and commissioner demanding strict action and justice in the matter. A shocking case of mob violence has come from Mandla district. On February 26, a 17-year-old boy was beaten brutally after locals suspected him of being a child kidnapper. He was admitted to hospital the same day. The next morning at 10:30 am, his body was found on the road. The victim was identified as Amarlal from Kabirdham district of Chhattisgarh. His family said he was mentally challenged and had gone missing from home. Relatives reached Bichya to identify the body. Police are investigating the incident and trying to identify those involved in the deadly assault. Former Chief Minister Uma Bharti visited Pandurna on Tuesday. Hindu organization workers met her and complained about police inaction in an absence video viral case. They said no action was taken for 3 days. Uma Bharti said if police do not listen to citizens, they should clear out the police station peacefully. She added that police officers are meant to protect people and must act against criminals. Her statements has triggered political reaction in the state. The police department has not officially responded yet to her remarks or the allegations of inaction. Holi festival will be celebrated across Madhya Pradesh on Wednesday. In Bhopal, a special Holi Milan ceremony will be held at the Chief Minister's residence. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav, ministers and MLAs will participate in the celebrations. Leaders will greet each other and celebrate with colors. Security arrangements have been made at the CM house for the event. The Festival of Colors is celebrated with joy and harmony across the state. Authorities have appealed to people to celebrate safely and maintain peace during Holi festivals in cities and rural areas. Due to the Israel-Iran conflict, many Indian travelers were stranded in the UAE. Former Indore MLA Sanjay Shukla was among them. They returned safely after flights resumed from Dubai to Abu Dhabi on March 2nd evening. Services to Delhi and Mumbai restarted, allowing passengers to travel back home. All stranded travelers from Indore have now reached India safely. Families expressed relief after their return. Authorities coordinated effort to ensure safe evacuation. Flight operations are slowly returning to normal, but officials are monitoring the situation closely due to ongoing tension in the Middle East. In Sagwal village of Sadarpur Tehsil in Dhar district, a traditional fair was organized on Holi. Thousands of devotees gathered for the Girl Chul Mela. Police whose wishes were fulfilled walked barefoot on burning embers as part of a ritual. Male devotees wore traditional red and white clothes, applied turmeric on their faces and carried coconut while performing parikrama on Kal Baba. The ritual is believed to bring blessing and fulfill wishes. Local administration made security arrangements for the large gathering. The fair concluded peacefully with traditional music and religious chant. The third season of Madhya Pradesh Cricket League will be more exciting this year. For the first time, players will be auctioned like the IPL. Franchisee team will bid for their favorite cricketers. Organizers say this system will give talented players a bigger platform and financial support. Young cricketers from across the states are expected to participate. The auction format has created excitement among fans and players. Officials believe this new step will raise the league popularity and improve competition standard. Dates for the auction and matches will be announced soon. Madhya Pradesh may see heat waves in April and May this year. However, in early March, temperatures are high, but no heat wave alert has been issued yet. Due to a western disturbance and cyclonic activity, light rainfall is expected in Bhopal, Indore and Gwalior Chambal region. Weather experts say condition may change in coming days. Farmers had been advised to stay alert. The meteorological department is closely monitoring the situation. Residents are experiencing warm days, but slight relief is expected if rain occurs in parts of the state this week.